We're here at Children's Medical Center Plano, and I'm with Jesus Alderete, who is with the Injury Prevention Program at Children's Health. Jesus, tell us about what families should know before they go to the water or lake this 4th of July.
Perfect. Well, one of the things that always makes a difference in case of a drowning is having the right equipment. For example, the floaties that you're currently holding in your hands, it's really a big no-no. Parents should never have their kids' life depending on a floaty, simply because this is the type of equipment that deflates quickly. In case of multiple uses, it can puncture, it can come out of the kid's hand, and a lot of times the kid's head ends up under the water.
But there's so many parents that use these. What would your message be to them?
Well, it's also important to read the labeling. I know most of us really don't take the time to read the labels on anything, but this one clearly states that this is not a life-saving device. Instead, we encourage parents to have the right equipment, such as a life jacket. Something that it's visibly able to tell you that it's recommended, it's certified by the U.S. Coast Guard to keep the child above water. But like all the things, they have a little bit of guidelines. Height and weight. This one specifically goes under weight. So it's important as a parent go to the store and buy the right equipment. A life jacket with the right weight for the child can save a life.
So Jesus, what do you do if a child falls into the water or you see signs of drowning?
Good question. You know, it's a parent's instinct to always jump into the water, right? If you see your child is drowning, the first thing, you don't think twice about it, you jump in. Well, part of having the right equipment is having a pool noodle. It's not a poodle, it's a pool noodle. Something like this. It's not about the parent acting and jumping into the water, but more so getting close to the water without literally jumping in, laying flat and reaching out for the victim and pulling them into safety. Because if the parent or whoever's saving the child does not know how to swim, guess what? We might have 2 victims instead of 1. So it's always important to have the right equipment around the pool.
And what are the signs of drowning?
Drowning, unfortunately, is a silent killer. So while you think that a child's having fun, they might be drowning. So it's important for the parents to keep any distractions away from them. Facebook, Twitter, being on their phone, it's important to have active supervision. Always keep a close eye into the kids and realize when the child's having fun as opposed to drowning.
Right. Thank you very much, Jesus. Anything else you'd like to tell families before they go to the 4th of July?
Have fun. It's a good way to stay cool this summer, but always have the right equipment. Know what to do in case of a drowning. It's important for the parents to know how to react.